In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager from your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're in your main Wix dashboard workspace. This is important because many Wix users manage more than one site or workspace, and you want to be certain you're making this change in the correct place before moving forward. Once you're inside the right dashboard, take a moment to confirm that everything on screen matches the site you intend to update. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard, where Wix lists its main configuration and management options. In that menu, find Marketing and SEO, and click it to open the related settings. This area contains tools that help connect your site with outside marketing platforms and tracking services. So if you're looking to manage integrations, this is the right section to use. After opening Marketing and SEO, select Marketing Integrations from the available options. This will take you to the page where Wix displays different services you can link to your website. Depending on your account layout or screen size, the page may take a moment to load, so give it a second if needed and make sure you're fully on the integration screen before continuing. Once you're on the Marketing Integrations page, look for the Google Tag Manager interface card. Wix organizes these connection options into separate cards or sections, so it helps to scan carefully until you find the one labeled for Google Tag Manager. When you locate it, look directly underneath that card for the Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. This is the action that begins linking Google Tag Manager to your Wix site through the dashboard. Be sure you click the button under the correct integration card, since there may be several different marketing tools listed on the same page. And that's it for this part of the setup. You've now navigated to the correct area in Wix and started the connection process for Google Tag Manager. If you're following along while updating your site, it's always a good idea to move slowly and confirm each screen before clicking, especially when working with integrations that affect tracking and marketing data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.